Find the values of x and y. Find the values of x and y. So we have these expressions over here. The method I'm going to use is known as the substitution method. So we have got x minus 3y is equal to 8. I'm going to make x the subject of the formula. So I'm going to write x is equal to 8, this 8, plus 3y. Remember that when a number crosses the equal to sign, if it is negative and it goes on this side, it's going to be positive. And that is what has happened here. This was negative 3y. When it crosses the equal to sign, it becomes a positive number. It becomes a positive value. So we know that x is equal to 8 plus 3y. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get this one. 3x plus y is equal to 4. We are going to substitute this x with this expression. So we're going to say 3, open a bracket, get this one, 8 plus 3y, close it, plus y, which is this one, is equal to 4. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 3 times 3 is 9y, plus y, this one, is equal to 4. 9y plus y is equal to 10. So we're going to have 10y here, and we have this 24 still here, is equal to 4. Let's continue on this side where we have more space. So what we have is 24. This is 24 plus 10y is equal to 4. We get this 24, we take it over the equal to sign on this side. So we're going to remain with plus 10y is equal to 4. Remember, this 24 went this side. It's a positive value. It crosses the equal to sign. It's going to be negative, minus 24. When there's this positive sign, it's as good as there's nothing there. So you can ignore it. So what we have here is 10y is equal to 4 minus 24. 4 minus 24 is negative 20. So we have 10y this side is equal to negative 20. To get rid of this 10, we would need to divide this by 10 and also divide this side by 10. So we're going to remain with y is equal to negative 20 over 10. 10 into negative 20, the answer is negative 2. So y is equal to negative 2. What then would be x? What then would be x? We're going to use this one here, this same one here. So x, we don't know what it is. That's what we want to find. But we know what y is. Y is negative 2. So x, this one, minus 3, open bracket, negative 2. And this is equal to 8. We simply replaced this y with the value of negative 2. So it's going to be x, negative times negative is positive, 3 times 2 is 6. So plus 6 is equal to 8. X is equal to 8. This 6 goes over across the equal to sign. It's positive, so it's going to become negative. So x is equal to 8 minus 6, 2. So x is equal to 2, which is positive 2, and y is equal to negative 2. find the values of x and y. Find the values of x and y. And so we are given these expressions. What we're going to do is we're going to get this one and make y the subject of the formula. So this equation is 4x minus y is equal to 5. We get this 4x, move it across the equal to sign. You note that it is positive. When it goes across the equal to sign, it's going to be negative. Is equal to 5. This goes on that side, it will become minus 4x. We need this to be a positive y value, so we're going to multiply it by negative 1. So we are going to remain with y is equal to, remember what we do on the left side of the equal to sign, we equally need to do that on the right side. So this side we multiply by a negative because that's the only way we can find a positive. That negative is also multiplied on this side. So this is a positive multiplied by a negative, it will become negative 5. This is a negative multiplied by a negative, it will become plus 4x. So we know what y is. Now that we know what y is, let us get this one and substitute y with this. We are going to substitute y with this. So we get this expression 2x plus 3, we open bracket, this value of y minus 5 plus 4x is equal to 11, like that. So we have 2x, then we have plus here and open brackets. So plus multiplied by negative is negative. So this is going to be negative 15. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. So negative 15. Plus multiplied by plus is plus. And 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. X, which is equal to 11. We have 2x here and 12x there. So write 2x plus 12x is equal to 11. We get this negative 15, cross it over the equal to sign, it's going to become positive. So negative 15 goes on this side, it's going to become positive 15. 2x plus 12x is 14x, equal to 11 plus 15. 11 plus 15 is 26. We divide this by 14 and also this side by 14. So we have got x is equal to 26 over 14. But there are numbers that can go into this, a single number that can go into these two without leaving a remainder. Let's get 2 itself. 2 into 26. How many times does 2 go into 26? It's going to be 13. And 2 into 14 is 7. So the value of x is 13 over 7. The value of x is 13 over 7. If you get this as being the value of x, what then is going to be the value of y? I need you to find the answer. All that you're going to do is you're going to substitute. Where there's x, you are going to put 13 over 7. Where there's x, you're going to put 13 over 7. So what you can do is you can pause this video, try out your calculation, then come back after you have done your calculation so that I can tell you what the answer is. So what did you find? What did you find as being the value of y? What did you find as being the value of y? Your answer should be 17/7. Is that what you found? That is the answer, 17/7. So for this particular question, x, the value for x, 13/7. And the value for y, 17/7.